track.
How many cylinder is this?
8 cylinder.
Cool. Do you have 2 of them, or is this the one that goes in the car?
Just the one. There isn't an engine in that car.
Probably makes it easier to carry.
Oh, that too.
Still run, or?
No, it's just a display piece. Static display. We're hollow casting.
Okay.
Just made to look at. Doesn't function.
Looks like it runs.
That's all it's meant to do. I got about 18 hours of that. Hey, they got the government meeting on that. Look at this.
Don't touch.
Yeah. See how he goes around there and he flips it up and down? Oh, okay. You got video going or pictures?
This is video.
Oh, sure.
I can make Whoa. Let's stick some candy.
Plate is mounted solid to the shaft. The pistons push on the plate. When they see an inclined plane, it causes the plate to
Oh,
flip.
it slides. The shoe slides and pushes the incline. Yeah. Thanks. I would have been working on that one all day. It's a good thing. I appreciate that. Not having to take a piston. That's what I got. They sell the blank. Oh, you got the back and the throttle. You have the plans for that, or? Oh, yeah? Pull it out real fast.
Yeah, I think it's a 10 spline. That'll work.
So, contact me. Can't show them the show. No, Hello, George. Hey, Sim. How are you? Good. I recognize that guy.
You know how much like horsepower that thing has?
Probably about 5.
About 5?
No, the training is, I think, the main that went on the hit and miss. The putting down the I don't know. That rocket went off, and it got about 15 feet in the air, and it just flew off. There's a difference on it.
Yeah. So that's a magnetic gear.
Yep.
Magnetic gears.
And those are the neodymium earth magnets?
Yeah, rare neodymium.
Next one, and hold it around, so the next one there. Like the little magnet.
What kind of, did you try revving that up at high RPMs? It's still,
I haven't, you can,
as long as there's not that much of a load on it, I guess it works.
It drags really very easily. I use miniature precision bearings on this to, to keep the friction down.
Do you ever see the magnetic bearings?
I think I have.
If you put those on magnetic bearings with no contact, you'd have a totally frictionless system. The gantries we work on run on an air bearing.
Slow it down, slow. Hold it up.
We have our evil scientist supplies.
Yes. Yeah.
And while we forged it, it had to be watched with a pyrometer.
because you had a very
I wouldn't want to hand crank it.
Chris?
We're running just a few minutes late. It'll be about 10 minutes after 12 with the presentation to Gary Conley for Craftsman of the Year. And it's up at the Shoreline booth, number 6.
Transistors before then, and kind of limping along with $50 transistor radios. And some of these cats doing this stuff at NASA said, well, if we could put all this stuff in a chip.
Well, you're right that one word leadership is
Transistors before then, and kind of limping along with $50 transistor radios. And some of these cats doing this stuff at NASA said, well, if we could put all this stuff in a chip.
well, you're right that one word leadership is here. I thought to go home. Go to Spark.
We're gonna do another one someday.
in the army you can.
That's what it is.
And the layers.
Okay, maybe it's my want to remind you about the seminar.
Hey guys.
I got your website.
I'll
be talking.
Southeast corner of the building. Ron Grimes.
You guys want to be at Maker Fair, Detroit?
Yeah, we were last 2 years.
I wanted to go last.
Can you tell us about the
Oh, yeah. So this was made on the laser. It cuts through acrylic. Oh, hold on a second. There we go. It's not really bad. So it's pretty cool. You just put the sheet in there, and then there's this website, it's like boxmaker.com or something. You just type in your dimensions, and it creates the file for you, and then you just print it out, and then it's up there. It's just pretty cool. And I was telling him, like, I mean, this is like, I don't know when you do this, but there's a guy who comes in and uses our equipment that, I printed the wrong one. This one.
I've been following your stuff since, I don't know, since I got into RC. I used to go to the
It's a real diesel electric. There's an alternator, it's got a motor. This is battery. Oh, it's got a car horn.
Oh man, it's so sunny.
It's like do it yourself. But just because you can, you really shouldn't.